Start on the main home screen and tap the Tables icon. From the Tables view, select Table 1. On the Register screen, tap the cart icon at the bottom right to open the itemized receipt. To split a specific item's cost between multiple people, tap the three-dot menu icon next to Guest 1. Select Split Items from the pop-up menu. On the Split screen, check the box next to the taco trio to select the item you want to split. Under the Then, tap the guests who are splitting the item section. Select both Guest 1 and Guest 2. Tap the Confirm Split button at the bottom right. The cart will instantly update, showing the taco trio is now split in half, with a half portion listed under Guest 1 and the other half portion listed under Guest 2. Scroll further down the cart to view Guest 3, who currently has a quantity of 2 for their burrito bowl order. To distribute these items, tap the three-dot menu icon next to Guest 3 and select Split Items. Check the box next to the burrito bowl, chicken. Select Guest 3 and Guest 4 as the guests splitting the order. Tap Confirm Split. Notice how the cart updates. Instead of creating fractions, it smartly divides the quantity, leaving one whole burrito bowl under Guest 3 and moving the second whole burrito bowl to Guest 4. Once all items are split and distributed correctly, tap the Save button at the bottom left to finalize the changes.